Hello YouTube, and it's Japanese peace fountain peace time. So this is a fountainy thingy that doesn't work, so someone's given it to me. Batteries are new in it, there's a switch there, and the pump doesn't run, so we have to take it apart and have a look. So the first thing you've got to do is fix it and make it work. And the second thing is the people who have this are fed up of having to change the batteries, so we've got to find a way of making this non-battery powered. So it looks also, yeah. So the way into this looks like it is a complete one-piece unit. These feet just stuck on, and there's only screws across the battery compartment. So 2 screws there. Look a little bit rusty, but I can't imagine it would be because it's covered in water. So we'll take them screws out, and that plastic battery compartment should come off. So them 2 screws snapped off in the end. So there's the heads. They were a bit rusty. And it's glued in around here, so I have to just break the seal of the glue. And there's your problem. I reckon that wire is meant to be soldered onto that switch. Or, no, actually, no, it's meant to be soldered down here, isn't it? That's your negative. So, that wire needs a sticky back on. Let's do that now. Things aren't looking too good. So I've soldered that wire on. I've had to take off quite far to get a bit that wasn't corroded. And put the link in. And I've taken the switch out as well because it wasn't working after fixing the wire. Plugged it in, and there's no motor spin. Put this on a power supply, and so long story short, this motor is kaput. So I've cut it out, changed the pipe, and I fitted a new motor. So I've had to drill another hole in here in order to get the wire through, because the wire used to go through there, and you can't get a drill bit in there because angles. So new motor in, pipe. These are off eBay. These are like £2 each. Same motor, which is good. Drill a hole, fill it with glue. Glue the other side, bit of tape to stop the glue coming out of the hole. So I can wire that in, and then I can stick the top on the pipe on there, wherever it goes. I think it goes that way around, doesn't it? And that's the pump side of things done. So it's just the electrics now, which is just basically fitting a new switch and that lot, because then we can just get a 3-volt power supply to go across there as well for mains operations, and we should be done. Easy. So that's the wiring done. Just a new switch fitted there, and then power obviously going to from the switch to the motor. And I've added in these 2 extra leads. These are going to be what's going to be powering the device when it's running off the mains. So I'm just going to put a 5-volt power supply on here and a plug, so you can plug it in and out, but it helps feed the wires out. So that's all done. I can glue it all back together again now. So I'm just doing them wires that come out the outside, so a bit of heat shrink around the side. I'll shrink it all up so it look nice and black, and a connector on the end. So I painted one side red, so we know that's the positive side. Bit of heat shrink around that, and we'll shrink that all up, and that should be a nice black cable then. And there we go. That's our cable all shrunk down nicely with the connector on the end. And there's our final finished thing. So what we need to do is get a 3-volt supply, pack on the end of that, plug on the end of that, boom, and it will run. And we've also still got somewhere, wherever the switch is, there it is, the switch on the side for the batteries. And there we go, that's it, repaired and modified. So I hope you like that. And it's a bit, sorry the video was a bit random because I had to pause halfway through to wait for parts and a pump. Then I forgot to film the rest. But really, hopefully it was seamless and you didn't even notice. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.